outside. Let's see. The wind's about, I think it's 18 miles per hour right now. The wind's about 18 miles per hour. And the gust is about 30 miles per hour. And the temperature right now is about, I'm guessing it's 27 degrees, and it feels like 14 degrees. That's the coldest I've recorded wind chimes. It's so freezing outside. Plus I cannot zoom in because I have gloves. I may just do a 5-minute video of the backyard wind chimes. Then I have to take a break because it's too cold. Those trees are going crazy right there. Pine trees. Look at that. This is the most cold I've went to record wind chimes. Here we got a big wind coming. As y'all can see, I have cups outside because I like to put them out. Because I like to freeze them. This one's frozen right there. That one's frozen. That one's not frozen yet. That one is frozen. I'm actually going to stop here because I don't see any big winds coming. I'll be back in a few minutes because it's way too cold. Alrighty, I'm back. I can hear howling from the trees. Look at those trees right there. Look at all those trees. They're going crazy. And feels like the temperature is 27 and it now feels like 13 degrees. Oh my goodness, some big wind right there. All big trees. Leaves are falling. There's that one, John. is starting to rise. I do that a lot, hitting that thing again. It is windy day. Mostly in the mornings, but still gonna be windy in the afternoon. Day after tomorrow is Christmas Day, and I'm actually getting a wind chime. It's gonna be Amazing Grace chime heavenly, and it's gonna go where the space odyssey is. It's gonna go right there. Oh, there's a huge wind coming. Huge one coming. Been 5 minutes again, so hold on. Looks like another one's coming. I'm just gonna stand right here because the wind is hitting my face. Look at this wind. It is so windy. I'm just gonna stop because it's been over 5 minutes and I'm probably gonna get on in and get warm so I can go back out. Right before I go in, there's a wind coming. I'm just gonna go in and get warm so I can come back out. I'm back. It is now officially 12 degrees. Feels like. That's still 27 degrees. It is 12 degrees. We have put up lights around our house. There's a big wind. Whoa. Oh, that is howling. Those trees. They are howling. It's been about 3 minutes since the wind was calm. It's howling outside. Look at the nice wind chimes. They're going crazy. I see another one coming. Oh no, they're bad. The ice froze. That means it got cold. Yep, it's icy. Yep, it's cracked. I cracked it. There's my other windscreens. Fixed it. I'm gonna give it a ring. They sound beautiful in the cold. Yep. It is windy again. That's where the Amazing Grace, the new one, goes. And let's see, I'm possibly going to put this one where the Amazing Grace Lodge is. Then I'll do the 3 Amazing Graces right there. Possibly 3 Amazing Grace right there. 3 more. So that way I have 4. Small, medium, large, and extra large. That's what we're gonna hang this extra large one right there when I get it for Christmas. I think let's see, it's about 16 degrees. I'm guessing 16 degrees feels like, but pretty cold. And it's about probably 30 degrees. The sun is going up. Oh, there's a big wind. That's a huge one. That was a huge one. Look at that. That's a big wind coming. Look at that. Big, huge one. Another big, huge one. Here we go. it continues. Another huge one. Huge winds. Wind chimes are chiming away. Chiming away. That one goes the most. The long one goes the most. That was a huge wind. Big one. Pretty gusty. Go ahead and crush these ice just for fun. I'm actually going to do this. How to break that one. Yep. That's how freezing it is outside. Let's give it a chime on this one. And I'll give it a chime on this one too. Alright. Still pretty windy. I keep having a lot of gusts coming when I'm outside. There's another one. It's still pretty cold outside. Probably feels like 20 degrees. And the temperature is somewhere in the 30s. Or maybe 30 degrees. Or upper 20s. Or around 30. Somewhere like that. The high is only 30 degrees today. I think it's about in the upper 20s right now. Hey guys, it is so windy. A few minutes ago, wind chimes were crazy, front and the back. That's why it came out here. The sun is already up. It's 11 something. Probably 11:15. And the good news is, our builder's best in the game room is fixed. The pull chain is fixed. There was something wrong inside the chain, and we had to take it apart and fix it, and now it's fixed. But unfortunately, both of our builder's best does not have a medium speed. Both of them are high, low, off, and off. But it's still 20-something degrees outside. It's freezing outside. full of ice right there. That's why it's so cold. So windy. It's even windy than this morning. Look at this. I think the gust probably up to 40. Oh my goodness. Trees are going crazy. Wind chimes are going crazy. Oh, that must be fireworks. Somewhere over here. It's for the New Year's. Look how crazy this wind is. Wind is just crazy right now. Trees are crazy. Wind chimes are crazy. Pretty gusty. Having a lot of wind gusts. High wind. This is extremely windy day. Okay, the trees has calmed down a little bit. But the chimes are still going. Another big wind coming. We do have a high wind gust coming. Big wind coming. Well, that wasn't a big wind. It was just a medium. Alright. About a minute ago, right before I came, I heard that wind chime crazy from my bedroom right there. It was crazy. Then I came out. It was this one, the Amazing Grace Lodge. Here we go. There's big winds everywhere. It's so windy. There's just some crazy winds. There's my Bells of Vienna 74 chiming behind this wind chime. And then behind the Bells of Vienna, there's the Quinling bells. I hang those ornaments on this tree for this year. And all the time. I like to do that. And I like to swing them sometimes. Those are the Christmas decorations. There's deers right here. Those are the two new ones that we got this year. The whole lights around the house is new. The other color lights were not working. So we got white and blue. There's 10 of them. Well, that was a big wind. right there. And it's keep chiming. Keeps on chiming. Got some good wind chime videos today. This was a good wind chime video. So yeah. Still pretty windy. Sadly, power went out. Look at the lights, they're not on. I have no idea what happened. Maybe high wind gusts. Our power just went out. That is unlucky. Our lights are not on. Not at all. Because lights went out. Power went out. Our tree is not flashing. It's not colored anymore. We mostly leave lights on. But these lights are not on. These reindeers are not on. The projector is not on. Yup. No power. Those lights are not on. We just leave them off. The inside has no lights. I just show y'all the builder's best. They're not on. That is disappointed. That what happened. Power went out. Oh, we're gonna go to the backyard. Let me wait until this gust is passed. There's a big one. There's a huge one coming. The wind gust is about 40 miles per hour. Now our house might be cold. I have no idea what happened. Maybe a tree fell on the power line. We don't have heat. Now our house is gonna be freezing cold. We do not have heat. Trees are going crazy. Trees are going crazy. Yep, the whole neighborhood does not have power. No lights at all. Because of this wind. Look at those trees. Going crazy. Going crazy. Probably just gonna go ahead and go to the backyard. So I'll see you there. Oh wait, I'm at the backyard now. These chimes get the most winds. Our power's still out. I don't know what to do. All of our fans are turned off. They are not on because of the power. Because it's so windy today.